Morning student of class 5. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. Okay. So let's start. Before going to discuss the question answer section, I want to tell all of you that the computer copy carries 30 marks. Okay, 20 marks. The computer copy carries 20 marks. So all of you should write all the question answer in your computer copy, including inside question answer and exercise question answer. Inside question answer I have already provided to everyone. Okay, and as I told you that the inside question answer as a PDF, you need to click the link in the YouTube description box to download the file. Okay, when you click the link on the YouTube, the PDF file will automatically download on your phone. Then you can write the question answer on your computer copy from PDF. Okay, and I hope all of you have already written and learned the first chapter inside question answer. So let's start today's discussion. Here you can see the first chapter of the content of first chapter. History of computers, generation of computers, types of computers, features of computers, limitation of computers. Okay, we already have discussed about these topics. So now we can take a quick review of this chapter. First is abacus is a mechanical calculator. We all know that abacus is a fast mechanical calculator. Next is Pascal developed a mechanical adding machine called Pascal line, which is used to set of wheels connected by gears. Next is Charles Babbage designed an analytical engine. Next is Mark I was an electromechanical machine in which programs and information were input by a punch paper ribbon. That means the Mark I used to input the instruction by punch paper ribbon. Next is UNIVAC and ENIAC computers are the example of first generation computers, computing devices. Next is fifth generation computer involves the usage of artificial intelligence. That means the artificial intelligence is first introduced in fifth generation computers. Next thing is very important. The speed of a computer is measured in MIPS. That means billions instruction per second. Next is the computer has no IQ. That means computer is a dumb machine. The computer cannot perform any work without instruction from the user. Okay. Next is the computer cannot take any decision on its own. That means we all know that computer cannot perform any tasks without any instruction from the user, and also the computer cannot take any decision on its own. Okay, so this is the review of this chapter. So move on to the question answer section. Here you can see first question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is dash is replace the mechanical switches of Mark I with electronic switches. The question number A is ENIAC. First fill in the blanks is ENIAC. ENIAC replace the mechanical switches of Mark I with electronic switches. Second is the dash was an analog computer. The UNIVAC was an analog computer. So fill in the number 2 fill in the blank is UNIVAC. Next is Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine. We all know that the Charles Babbage designed analytical engine. Okay. Number D is the abacus was the first mechanical calculator. And the number 5 is IC integrated circuit replace the transistor. Integrated circuit replace the transistor. Okay. These are the fill in the blanks of your exercise. Next is true false. Number 1 is true false. Write true or false for each statement. That means when the statement is correct we can write true, and when the statement is incorrect we write there false. Okay, so number 1 is an example of the third generation computer are Apple computers. This statement is correct, that's why we write here true. Next is the fifth generation of computers involves the uses of artificial intelligence. This statement is also correct. Okay, so we write here true. Next is the computer can take a decision on its own. We all know that computer cannot take any decision on its own, so this statement is incorrect. That's why we write here false. Excessive use of computers may cause various health problems. Yes, this statement is correct. Excessive use of computer may cause different types of health related problems like headache, arthritis, etc. So this statement is correct. That's why we write here true. Next is the computer cannot work for hours without creating any error. This statement is incorrect. Because the computer is we all know that computers never never create any mistakes. Okay, the computer is always 100% accurate, so that's why the this statement number 5 statement is incorrect. Okay, so move on to next. Here some question answer the following question. I have already provided the question number 1. Explain the following in brief: abacus, Pascaline, ENIAC and analytical engine. Inside question answer. And question number 2, explain the various generation of computers and the technology used in each. Okay, these two questions I already have provided to you. And question number 3 I also provided it, but for better understanding I will discuss this question here. Write any 4 features of a computer. Okay, number 1 is accuracy. We all know that computer never make any mistakes. The computer is always 100% correct. That's why the main features of computer is accuracy. Next is diligence. That means the computer never get tired or bored. Okay, the computer can work for hours and hours. Okay, so computer never get tired or illness face any illness. Okay, so this is the features of a computer. Here you can see the next features of computer is versatility. That means the computer can do different work. Okay, computer can do different work at different types of work. Capacity to perform completely different types of work. You may use your computer to do artwork as well as the complicated science assignment also. Next is multitasking. We all know that computer can do different tasks at the same time. That's why the computer is called a multitasking machine. Next is question number 4, explain any 2 limitation of a computer. The limitation of a computer is no decision making. That means the computer is unable to take any decision. Okay, the computer unable to take any decision because the computer is a dumb machine. Next is no emotion. The computer does not have any emotion. Next is bad impact on health. Excessive usage of computers can causes various type of health related problems like arthritis, backache, eye or vision problems. Okay, this is the limitation of using computer. Move on to next. Here you can see why the computer is called dumb machine. We all know that computer does not have any IQ, so that's why the computer is called a dumb machine. Okay, next is give the full forms of give the full form of the following. First is ENIAC. ENIAC means electronical numerical integrator and computer. Okay, next is UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. Next is ASCC, that means automatic sequence controlled calculator. Next is IBM, International Business Machine Corporation. These are the full form of the following chapters. Okay, next is match the following. Here you can see a table. I already have solved this match. Okay, number 1 is vacuum tube. Vacuum tube is used in first generation computer. Next is integrated circuit. Integrated circuit is used in IBM 370 computers. Okay, next is fifth generation computer is used in robotics. Okay, next is Charles Babbage. We all know that Charles Babbage is the father of our computer. Next is assembly language. Assembly language means binary digits 0 and 1. Assembly language means binary digits 0 and 1. These are the question of exercise, and I already provided 24 inside question and answer. Okay. I hope that all of you learn all 24 inside question and also the exercise question answer on your computer copy, and all of you need to read the chapter carefully for better understanding the topic, and you can easily download the PDF file of question answer from the YouTube. Okay, so I am ending the discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter which is types of software. Okay, so till then take care, goodbye, thank you.